Hello there. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Ratchet. So as you can see here is the box he came in. Got some cool artwork on the side, but you can shine on with a black light, which I do really like that feature. Cool siege artwork on the back. Shows how many modes he has and how many steps it takes to transform him, and let's get into it. Okay. First of all, if you want to get this guy for yourself, you can find him in Canada at EB Games, which is where I got him, or in the US at Walgreens, which I do not understand why so much stuff is exclusive to Walgreens. Now, this guy, let's go to sculpting and painting and sculpting. The painting and sculpting here is great, except for the tires. I don't really like the tires. I just don't like them being white. Man, weapons are amazing. I love that you can take these and put them in there. The only thing, and here for comparison, I'm going to bring out my Transformers Siege War for Cybertron Ironhide, and there are very few differences, well, notable differences. The heads are obviously different. The shoulders are surprisingly different. It's just added for the siren. If you look at the back, just let me get this guy set up. The, looks like they're having a nice sunlight. The bumpers are different. Ratchet has 2 pegs. Ironhide has 4. And yeah. As articulation-wise, head swivel. His arm can go up that far, can go down that far. Rotation out the arm. Wrist swivel. No, arm swivel. Wrist swivel. Arm bend. Over here, the legs can go up that far, allowing for a beautiful spread. You can leg swivel. Leg knee joint. Can go forward that far, can kick back that far. And ankle pivot. Something I love about all these Siege figures is they're always really good at doing the most insane spreads possible. They're like bridges. It's like a drawbridge. Oh, there's a tall boat coming through. As for other comparisons, we have the Transformers War for Cybertron Hound, and we have the Marvel Legends PS4 Spider-Man, who I could probably not get to stand upright, and his arm is a bit curved. Oh, and for one more comparison, hello there. I'm just going to grab one of my amiibos. So here we have Sonic. And yeah. So, pretty decent scaling. Now, let's get into the transformation. Oh, sorry, Webble camera. First thing you want to do, take all the weapons off. Open the chest window, put the head in, put the chest window there, and make it flat this time and not on the little hinge that was there. Second thing you want to do, fold back this bumper right here, fold up the arms to right there, turn the arms around, push them in, turn this guy around, turn the arms that way, flip up the bumper, push the legs down, open these things, open the legs, pull it down, tab, there are little tabs here that you have to tab in, push this in. I couldn't get those tabs to click for a second, but that's fine. And here we have Ratchet. And man, he uses the mold, in my opinion, a lot better than Ironhide does. I completely love this guy. Also, his face makes him look gorgeous. If you want weapon storage, he does have weapon storage. So, you can plug that into the top, get his gun, put it here. And yeah, his wheels do have pretty good rolling. Except they feel a little cheap. Usually, like, a lot of plastic feels a little cheap when it's hollow on the inside. I wish the feet could open on both hinges. Because I wish I could open these like a medical door and just put like a headmaster or a weapon guy in there. This guy's injured. Quick, he needs an immediate ambulance. Yeah. Anyway, for more size comparisons for his vehicle mode, I do not have anything set up at the moment, so I will grab something from my shelf. Here we have rolling in from the 80s, the original 1984 Optimus Prime. And yeah, that's actually pretty good scaling. If you want to go even further, I could get Roller out. So that's looking pretty good. Back you go, Optimus. You did your part. Good job. And now here's his other mode. So what you want to do is take these weapons off, open the legs once more, flip back these tabs, pull out the arms, push the legs back in, fold out those parts of the arms that way, pull them in this way, plug the legs back in, and here we have his made-up medbay mode. So like this, he could fix an Autobot right up. At least I think that's what it's for. It's like a surgeon's table, right? I don't know, let me readjust the camera. So, here we have this, Titan mask? No, just one of the shoot spooty spook guys. We can lay him down here in the medical bed, and we can give him a colonoscopy with his little thing that's up his ass. Weird. I'm a weird kid. Anywho, I just love this guy in general, and this pretty much wraps up my review. I do recommend this if you can get it, but I suspect there will be an Earthrise. There will be an Earthrise version of both of these two. But this is probably the best these guys are probably the best Ratchet and Ironhide we've had from Generations. 'Cause For some reason, both of them are insanely popular. Everyone loves Ratchet. They just get shunned, toy-wise. Like, remember the original ones? Yeah, those were bad. Then there was the classics, Ironhide, which was awful in every single way possible because of the fucking panel lines. Yep. But all of this is just my opinion, and see you guys later.